Hello, welcome back. Day 2 and session 2. Today we are going to learn how to upload our video into our lovely channel. Alright, before moving forward, let me show you how a YouTube channel can make money. How much actually can make profit from just one channel. Okay, let's go to this channel, Kids Dana Show. Let's go to Social Blade and just write Kids Dana Show. And we see Kids Dana Show has 732 uploads and 6 million subscribers. Oh my goodness. Just click on select channel. Oh, 60 million. Oh my god. And just see how much this little kid is making just from YouTube ad revenue. Estimated monthly earnings, at least she is making 686k to $12 million per month, and making per year $151 million only just from Google AdSense ad. And she is also making money from affiliate links, maybe more than this amount. So now you can understand why people are creating creative video, maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes long video, and uploading them every single day. And let's check TagJune. TagJune is another YouTube channel just promote technology and technology devices, and it has 629 videos, and subscriber is 2.65 million, 2.2 million and 65. My goodness. And how much it is making? 61k, 700. This more. 71k. Wow. And yearly making 856k. Right? It's a huge amount of money. So that is why we should know how we can create our channel properly, professionally, and grow our channel. Okay, now let's go to our YouTube channel. Which one? This one. I go to my Gmail address and just click on this Google Apps and click on YouTube. Okay, again click on this icon and click on your channel, and this is my newly built YouTube channel. Okay, just yesterday we created together, but I uploaded couple of videos. Now I'm going to show you how we can upload a new video. Just go to this create a video or post, click here, upload, then drag and drop video files to upload. You can drag and drop, like if I want, I can just drag and drop from here. Okay, this I can drag and drop here, or I can select files from my computer from here. Okay, funny videos for relaxation, healthy life. What healthy life? Funny videos for healthy life. Fun for healing, fun for healthy living, fun video. Okay, I can just move this towards. Okay, and I can just go to next. Before I go to next, I can scroll down and select playlist where I want to send my video. I created 3 playlists. I showed you how to create it, and just click on new, and I can say how to make money, how to make project, how to make living online, like this. So how to make, and I want to be visible publicly and just create, and I can send here. But my category is funny videos for healthy living, or funny videos for a healthy life, healthy living, anyone. Then just click on done. Okay, click on next, and no, it's not made for kids. These videos are not made for kids, or I can choose this one. If I make videos for kids, I don't make for kids. Then go to next, and I'll keep it enlisted until I prepare the video for the audience. Okay, then click on save, and it's uploading. It has been uploaded, but it might not be still ready. I just share on Twitter, okay, so that I can get more views and subscribers. And I just delete via @YouTube and tweet it. Again, I can share on my Facebook also if I want. I can share on Blogger. I will show you how we can create Blogger in the next tutorial. And I can share on each and every social media to increase the views and watch hours and subscribers to our channel. Let's close it. I keep it unlisted, you see, and I can